Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the On Time On Target play of the day. We have 5 seconds to the market open. You are not looking at it. Let me share it out here. Here is the TD Ameritrade platform and the opening bell. You have 4 screens in front of you. Have the S&P 500 over here. You can say we're already down 2/3 of a point. And then we have one long in Macy's. I don't like it very much, but we'll hold on to it for a second. And then you have Round Rock Gourmet Burgers gapping down all out of our range now, 13% down. And then this is YY. I'm going to zoom this chart into what's more useful. For today, you have YY down. It's gapped all the way down here, and that's kind of back. So that doesn't look very good for a short today. I see Macy's just selling off hard there. So I actually kind of like that. So let's look at this. 1875, we're looking at 1890 going higher. That's right there at our entry point right now. And I can't pull the trigger on it. I just can't do it. Thinking about doing it. Can't quite do it. Kind of need to come back down here again and then turn around and go higher. Looks like it maybe will do that. Market's got a couple of percent going higher here. That's again the attraction here. Oh, I can't do it. Cannot hop into Macy's there. All right, Round Rock Gourmet Burger, that's already down. We'll call it 78. Covered at 78 at 15 cents. Oh, made the math hard. So 80 would be 95, so it'd be 93, 1893 going higher with a 15-cent, but this 1880 has to hold. Okay, looks like it's going to hold. Again, 1893 is the entry point we're waiting on, so it's a 15-cent stop. There it is. 1893 is your entry, and again, going long here. It was all based on that 1880 holding, so it went right back down and tested it again. So 15 cents again would be 1908. And then 23. And then 38 would be our exit point. So again, there's how the trade is structured. We're still in it. Yep, get it over this drawing here. 1938's the exit point to the upside for 3R. Okay, so we'll let that cook. Again, you're covered down here at 1878. And again, your exit's 1938 there. All right, let's look at, here we are back to our trade. Again, we entered it down here at 1893, actually. So we're at the 2R point, looking to go higher and exit at 1938. So we'll see if we get that. I'm going to turn it over to our trade real quick. Our trade hasn't exited yet. We're up about an hour and a half. So again, we'll report it back on that later. With that, I'm going to let you go. Again, no meeting tomorrow. We will be back with you Monday. Have a good weekend. Bye. Everybody, right back with you. It's a few minutes since I left there, but again, recapping the trade, it finally blew up to the high side there, which is a great, fantastic thing. So again, we entered the trade again, 1893. We covered across the bottom. It did test that right down there within a penny of us stopping out, but we held strong. And again, 1, 2, 3R looking at a 1938 exit. Which is where you take all of the trade off. But again, when you really look at it, it went up another. This is like 5R, almost a touch to 6R point from where we had it. So in this case, being patient and waiting for that entry instead of, chasing it up here initially, we waited for it to come all the way back down and set back up for it to go higher. So very nice trade. With that, we'll see you guys next time.